मित्रों, डिजिटल इंडिया क्या है? डिजिटल इंडिया का सार है एक डिजिटली साक्षर भारत, एक समर्थ भारत, एक समृद्ध भारत, एक सुशासित भारत, जिसकी बुनियाद पर बनेगा एक शक्तिशाली, विकसित और दुनिया में प्रतिष्ठित भारत। यह है कल्पना डिजिटल इंडिया की। I am indeed grateful that Honorable the Prime Minister, after his historic victory, within 100 days conceived this inspirational program designed to completely transform governance by harnessing the potential of information technology. With the participation of the government, the people and the private sector. It has touched the chord of India and the world. In the last 1 year, Department of Telecom, IT, Postal and other departments have done quite well. In India, we have got 1 billion plus phone connectivity. The mobile itself has reached about 975 million. We have got internet penetration of 300 million. But the story of digital India is not about numbers of laptop and phones. It is an idea where we conceive of not only an IT-enabled services, but IT-enabled society. 1 billion people of India, powered by information technology, seeking to transform their creativity, passion and capability. प्रधानमंत्री के उस बहुत ही प्रेरक शब्दों में IT plus IT is equal to IT. India's talent plus information technology is equal to India tomorrow. Digital India is designed to bridge the digital divide. It is more for the underprivileged, for the poor, erecting infrastructure for utility, digital delivery of services for good governance and removing corruption, and above all, empowering. We are laying optical fiber network connecting 250,000 gram panchayats. Digital India is politics neutral, is party neutral, is ideology neutral. And I'm very happy, under the inspiration of the Prime Minister, all the state governments today, major, have come together to make BharatNet a great success. My IT department has come with many extraordinary products, pro-people, convenient, e-education, e-health, e-scholarship, e-entertainment, e-commerce. It is going to be launched today. We talk of digital inclusion. We have come with a BPO policy, 48,000 seats divided all over the country, hand-holding by good companies with the local entrepreneurs. What is our idea? The idea is to have BPOs from Kashi to Gorakhpur, Muzaffarpur to Bhagalpur, Sambalpur to Jabalpur, Jodhpur to Bharatpur. That is the idea of digital inclusion for which we are coming with this program. हमारे पोस्टल विभाग को भी बड़ा काम करना है इस बदलाव में। 1,50,000 जो हमारे पोस्टल के देश भर में पोस्ट ऑफिसेज हैं, आने वाले 18 महीनों में हम सारे ग्रामीण पोस्ट ऑफिस को हैंड हेल्ड डिवाइस देने वाले हैं जो सोलर पावर होगा और वो फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन में सक्रिय होंगे। और आने वाले 2 वर्षों में हम देश के अधिकांश ग्रामीण पोस्ट ऑफिस को मल्टी सर्विस सेंटर में बदलने वाले हैं। सब मिलकर काम करेंगे तो देश डिजिटल इंडिया के आगे से साथ आगे बढ़ेगा। एंड ऑनरेबल द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, डिजिटल इंडिया विल रिमेन इनकम्प्लीट without Make in India. And I would like to appeal to all the giants of Indian industry and the global representatives here that electronic manufacturing is waiting to be exploited. It is a great area of growth. All the state governments have come on board. Please come, invest, create jobs, earn profit, make in India for India, and also export outside. That is the essence of electronic manufacturing, which we are promoting in a very big way. ये डिजिटल इंडिया भारत को बदलने वाला है। इससे भारत की तस्वीर बदलेगी। हमें मिलकर काम करना है। आज हम ये संकल्प करें कि प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी की अगुवाई में भारत को बदलने का जो महाअभियान चला है, जिसे सुशासन आएगा, भ्रष्टाचार समाप्त होगा, गांव के लोगों की आवाज मजबूत होगी, विकास होगा, नियोजन होगा, ये है पूरा डिजिटल इंडिया का भाव। With that pious hope, let me appeal to all the people present here in thousands. Let's take a collective vow to make this great mission a great success along with all the states and the people of India. Thanks a lot. Today I must congratulate, lastly, and welcome the great IT professionals of India, many of whom are present here, who have done great wonders. Today I also salute a large number of social media activists, many of whom are present here, who have given a new power to social media and India. My greetings to all of you. Abhinandan, Swagatam, Namaskar, Dhanyavad, Jai Hind.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.